What I get cautious about explaining, and I want to talk a little bit about insurance scores specifically, is that it's actually not good to shop, and I'm quoting with little, to shop your policy on a 6 month or annual basis. Because what's happening is that insurance scores are now being used to determine pricing on all policies besides flood. An insurance score, I'm going to name a few things that go into that. How long you've been with one carrier, how long you've been continuously insured ever, holding higher liability, claims go into your insurance score, and then a small factor is like credit. And when I say credit, they're not pulling hard inquiries, but they are pulling soft. So with insurance score, if you're moving annually, all these companies now are sharing information and they can see that. So you're gonna start getting dings. So think, when you're shopping for a house or a car, hard inquiries, they can see that. So that's what's happening when you're shopping on an annual basis. You're going from like a 7 insurance score up to a 15. And that, in the lower the score, the better with some companies.
That's such good information because I know I think a lot of people will shop, every time they get the renewal,
Yeah.
not realizing that
It's hurting.
that's hurting.
Yeah, it's hurting. But that's something I think it brings the value of a local agent that can kind of go through that. Running quotes, okay, but switching, that's when you're pulling the trigger. Like be cautious on that. So that's a fine line.